be exploring some very basic sentences in the German language and the key components that make a sentence a sentence. So, the basic structure is subject plus verb plus extra information. So, for example, here's a very simple German sentence that you will be using in your daily life. Ich heiße Nina oder ich bin Gregor. That is, I am called Nina or I am Gregor. So, according to this rule, here is your Subjekt, your verb und the extra information. And according to German grammar, the verb always has to be in the second place. Heiße und bin are the conjugated forms of verbs, and that's why they go in the second place. And the subject, that is our pronouns here, ich, they can go on either side of the verb. Ich heiße Nina, ich bin Gregor. And heiße and bin are actually conjugated forms of a verb, but that we will be learning in upcoming lessons. So that is your information for today, but please practice more and our AI Mori will help you with those. Thank you.